Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by identifying your exact Canon camera model and current firmware version. Visit Canon support from a secure computer and download the correct firmware file for your model. Use a stable internet connection to avoid corrupted downloads. Fully charge the battery to at least 50% or insert a fully charged spare battery before you begin. Prepare a compatible SD card with sufficient free space and a card reader for file transfer. Keep the camera manual and serial number available in case you need model confirmation. Insert a fresh SD card and format it in your camera to ensure compatibility. Remove the card and connect it to your computer with a reliable card reader. Do not unzip the downloaded firmware archive. Copy the exact firmware file to the SD card root directory. Ensure the file name matches Canon instructions and no extra folders exist on the card. Safely eject the card from your computer after the transfer completes. Avoid using the camera or other devices while copying to prevent file corruption. Reinsert the SD card into the camera and power the camera on without a lens cap. Back up important settings and images before starting the firmware update process. Open the Setup or Firmware menu and select Firmware Update to begin installation. Follow on-screen prompts exactly and confirm when asked to proceed. Do not remove the battery, press buttons, or power off the camera during the update. The update typically takes 3 to 10 minutes, and the camera will restart when finished. Verify the new firmware version in the menu afterward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.